Hey guys, MC Mr. Chicken here.
And Jesse.
Yes, that's his Minecraft name. And we're going to be playing some survival games or Hunger Games in Minecraft. So, let's just join. Okay, are you on the server?
Yeah, of course I am.
Okay, where are you in the server?
Survival or which one? Spleef, there's Skyblock.
Okay, where are you? Go to Survival
Oh, I,
Games.
I just saw you. I just saw you.
Survival Games and it's
Egypt.
got a big sword. We are on the server play.itsjerryandharry.com, so
I
yes,
see people's faces.
pretty
I see a
amazing.
face.
And okay, where are you?
I'm in the middle. I can't find it. It's just there's
There.
creative.
Oh yeah.
After creative, there's a survival. Are you? Is that
Oh,
it?
after survival, there's mob arena, and after hello.
Hello.
Oh crap! I just messed up the video. Okay, I just wait.
You
Well,
just ended the video, didn't you?
no, but I'm still recording, and I was like, hello, and now we're talking about my mistake. Okay, well, after survival, there's mob arena.
I'm already there. I'm in survival games portal. Whee!
Oh, darn it! I'm always the last one in. In.
Haha. Lol.
Okay, and the way that this
Just
no, just no, it's not letting me jump in. Yeah,
it's
once
full. It's full right now.
it is.
Oh, you can join now. Quick, quick.
Oh, I just did it. I typed /server
Yep, I
space
saw you. Oh,
sp.
W33B. Yeah. I saw
Okay.
your skin. On. Which one?
Okay,
Come on.
sorry.
Come on. Hurry up.
Sorry,
Hurry up.
sorry, sorry, I'm back. I'm back. I just had to go real fast. Someone walked into the room. Okay, so I'm back.
Okay. Let's go on the Pokeball. Wait, one.
You
Game
can
room.
dude, you have to wait until there's like the green behind them. This is gonna take forever. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video until one is open. Okay,
Okay.
guys, we just
Start the
got
server.
in on this, and so many people were clicking at the same time. I'm so surprised I got in. I got in at like 39 out of 49, and everyone joined in like 2 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, what
Okay.
did I get?
There. There.
Oh,
I
I
got
got a
armor.
butter sword.
Come on.
I got some stuff. Butter
I
sword.
got a diamond. I got a diamond. I got a
You-
diamond axe. Okay.
Okay, good.
Just play.
Good. Everyone's gonna
Okay,
get the
dude.
chests really fast. Where are we?
I gotta kill someone. I'm gonna kill someone.
No,
Straight
there's a
off the
grace
bat.
period. There's a grace period.
Oh, damn it. This place is really small.
I know, right? Oh,
I'm the
this chest has stuff in it. Aw, it's only wooden swords.
Take it. At least it's better than nothing.
But I have a butter sword. And I
Butter's
already have.
awesome.
Okay.
The only reason I'm saying butter is because I'm a recruit from the Sky Army.
So am I.
Come on, come
Hey,
on.
like the video if you're a Sky Army recruit. Yeah. Oh god, oh god.
Oh,
Grace
fight,
period
fight,
ended.
fight.
Grace period ended.
Oh, I see you. Die.
No, please, no. No, please, no. Please,
Oh,
no.
he dropped the enchanted helmet.
Oh, this guy. I'm gonna get him. Oh no,
No
he
one's
has
hurting
a
me.
diamond axe.
Yes, I'm gonna use my butter axe.
I'm
Woo!
so afraid.
Take my butter axe and diamond
I'm gonna
axe.
kill him.
Hiya.
Oh,
This
this guy
guy's
has a
AFK or
butter
something.
or a diamond helmet.
Yes, I got a bow. I got a
What?
butter sword and a
What
bow.
just happened? I just dropped everything I had.
Snowballs.
Did I die? What just
Ah,
happened? I was
no,
like
no,
disarmed.
no,
I just got like
please.
disarmed or something.
Ah, please, please. Mercy, mercy. Oh, I died.
You know, I bet you're gonna be like so loud in my video. Tell me if you can see me. Oh wait, no, you died.
Oh, medieval's open.
Um.
Come on, I'm joining medieval.
Oh no. I'm gonna have to get out and get back in. So scared. Okay, wait, I'm back. Medieval. Okay, dude, I have 5 minutes left. Okay, I joined medieval. Okay,
Me too.
guys, take 2. There's an iron sword in front of me.
There's nothing in front of me.
Yeah,
You should
dude, there's
storm
a
the
bunch of
castles.
iron crap in front of me. Oh, dude, a guy spawned with a bunch, like, diamond stuff.
Oh, it started! It started!
Okay.
Go! Go!
Run, run, run. Oh, I think I know where some chests are on this map. I know there's, like, a farm, and on the farm there's the chests. Oh, yep, I
Okay,
found the farm.
bye-bye.
Oh, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Really? Oh.
I just left the spawn and went right. I just kept
got
going
an
right.
epic chest. I got enchanted butter
Parkour!
leggings.
Parkour!
I got
Oh my
enchanted
gosh.
butter leggings and a diamond
Yes, I found a
axe.
chest. Oh, butter hat. A butter hat and a chainmail hat.
Dude, I found enchanted butter leggings and the diamond axe.
I got a butter. He's got.
Oh no, my
10
friend's
seconds.
probably
I'm
gonna
running
call
for
me.
my life.
Jump. Oh, I hope my friend doesn't call me. 1 second. I'm gonna go
Butter sword,
do
butter
not
armor.
disturb. Okay. Here we go. I just went do not disturb on Skype.
Butter army. Oh,
You mean
yes.
Sky Army.
I'm the butter army. He can have his sky army.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh gosh! Here's the diamond sword! Oh god. Oh, god.
Diamond arm.
Oh, I died.
Butter.
I died. Too bad you can't like spectate.
Ooh, I got someone's hat.
Okay. Well, this video probably isn't. Oh, hey, Biodome is open. Yep, like I thought. It's not gonna go very well.
Woo! Sacrifice.
Oh, I died.
Woo!
It's gonna be like, oh, I died. Join this. Join that. Join.
I just killed myself.
Yeah.
Like when I just died, it just like I exploded.
Oh, I thought you meant in real life.
No. Where did you join?
Oh, I didn't join anything.
Is anything open?
I don't know. I don't think so. Woohoo! Yeah, get off our here. I'm the king now, son.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
This has been an absolutely failure video.
What are you doing? You are not ending my video. I'm ending my video. Okay, guys, this has been an absolute failure video. Sorry about that, but yeah, stay tuned for episode 2. Yeah. Not.
And maybe next time Sky might be in this. Not.
Yeah. Well, I'm probably gonna cut that out. Bye. Bye.